Are you getting the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to get everything like apps, photos and videos, contacts, etc. from your old iPhone to the new one? You can back up your old iPhone and restore the backup in the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here in this video, we will show you how you can do that. Let's check it out. First, you need to back up your old iPhone in the iCloud. As we all know, we only get 5 GB of iCloud storage for free, and it's not enough for most people. If you are one of them and want to extend your iCloud storage, we have a video about how you can do it. We'll leave the link in the description, you can check it out. After the backup is complete, you need to restore the backup in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So guys, this is the way you can successfully back up your old iPhone in iCloud and restore the new iPhone 12 Pro Max from the iCloud backup. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.